Are you tired of scam and unreliable freight forwarder when importing goods from China to Nigeria? In this video, I'm going to simplify shipping from China to Nigeria for you. We'll explore different shipping options, and I will explain you why a Chinese freight forwarding companies may be your best choice. Say goodbye to confusing paperwork and costly mistakes. Whether you are shipping small packages for your online store or large cargo for your business, this video is for you. We will break it down step by step, right to your door, ready for hassle-free shipping. So let's get started. What shipping method do you have? So while taking a tip from a friend on shipping might seem a good starting point, but it is important to take a step back and see the full picture. Everyone's talking about free shipping method from China to Nigeria, but what they often leave out is how each one comes with its own set of unexpected complications. There are three primary shipping options from China to Nigeria. While direct shipping from your Chinese supplier seems very convenient, but it has its own drawback. Your supplier may hike up price to cover shipping, and if you're dealing with multiple shippers or suppliers, consolidation can be a headache. Therefore, it isn't most recommendation options. Then how about using a Nigerian freight forwarders? While interaction may be much more easier, they may lack of familiarity with the Chinese market, leading to delay and high cost. So this option is not highly recommended also. And what about hiring a Chinese freight forwarder company? This is your ideal options. They are well understand the Chinese market, can effectively communicate with your suppliers and handle all your shipping needs. They can keep informed about your shipping status in real time. They pick up goods from different factories, consolidating them, saving you time and money. So if you decide employing a Chinese freight forwarders for your shipping needs, but find yourself at square one, don't worry. We are going to tell you what you have to do. So once you have decided to go with a Chinese freight forwarder company, you may be wondering, how do I choose the right one? But don't worry, we have some tips for you. So first, do some research. Look at Google review to see what others comment about the company services. Number two, you will need a company that offers a full range of services that meet your specific needs. This includes door-to-door deliveries. This hassle-free option ensures the company handles the entire shipping process from the supplier's place to your doorstep. Number two, documentation handling. A company that takes care of all the paperwork related to the shipping and custom can save you a lot of time and trouble. Number three, shipping insurance. Make sure the company offers the insurance for your goods during the shipping. This provides a peace of mind in case of unexpected event. Number four, custom and local delivery. Choose a company that handles customs when your goods arrive in Nigeria and can arrange the local delivery to your place. Number five, bulk shipping options. Depends on the size of your shipment, you will need a company that offers full container load. This option lets you rent an entire container if you have a lot of goods to ship. If your goods won't fit a whole container, so don't worry, you can use this option LCL, less than container load, to only pay for the space you use. For e-commerce seller, startups or individuals buyer who may need the flexibility, look for a forwarder that can provide tailored solution to fit your unique situation. Remember, choosing the right freight forwarders to handle your shipping is super important. You want your goods to arrive safely, on time, and without any extra cost. So take your time to do your research and choose the best partner for your needs. You can also refer to this video for detailed guidance. At SINO Shipping, we are here to help you for all this and more. We do more than just ship goods. We help transport dreams, goals, and strong desire to grow the power businesses for all sizes. For over 20 years, we have been helping thousands of business success. We guide you through the complicated world of global business, ensure your goods get from the busiest factories in China to best market in Nigeria. So what are the most common shipping options when shipping from China to Nigeria? Number 1, express freight, such as DHL, FedEx, and UPS. Their shipping time takes around 3 to 5 days. Or standard air freight shipping services. Using airline services, shipping time takes around 5 to 7 days. But remember, both shipping methods are suitable for urgent shipment, and express freight is suitable for shipment weight less than 20 kilos. If you have over 21 kilos, standard air freight is more convenient for you and more economical. It's worth to look that this shipping method is faster, but also is more expensive than the last option, sea freight. If your shipment isn't time sensitive, you may consider this shipping method. It typically takes around 30 to 32 days to ship from Chinese seaport to Nigerian seaport, and around 35 to 40 days from door-to-door delivery from factory in China to Nigeria door. Depending on your cargo volume, you have different kind of options. So if your cargo volume is less than 40 cubic meters, consider shipping your cargo as LCL, less than container load. However, if it's over 40 cubic meters or your items are bulky, you may want to order a full container load, FCL, so you have the whole container for your shipments. So next step, contact with your factories. So what happens after you've chosen your freight forwarders and shipping method? Once you have confirmed your order with us, our team in China will contact with your Chinese supplier. We can either arrange to pick up the goods from your factories or have them delivered to us. This stage is crucial, and it involves understanding the shipping Incoterms between you and the Chinese suppliers or the factories. So if you need a deeper understanding of Incoterms, check out this video and our YouTube channel. It offers comprehensive insight that can guide you through which Incoterms work best for your situation. The next step is the paperwork. So I know this seems difficult and easy to make mistakes. For example, what and which certification do I need? What additional document will be needed? But don't worry, our team in China is here to help you. We will guide you every step, ensure all the paperwork are accuracy. We understand your concern and we communicate in a language that's easier for you to understand. Avoid jargon that could confuse you. So now we come to the shipping insurance. Shipping from China to Nigeria covers a long distance, and unfortunately damage or losses can sometimes occur during transit. While nobody wants this to happen, it's best to be prepared and getting shipping insurance. Always consult our team about the availability of on-demand insurance service. This way, you can assure your cargo has an additional layer of protection. So next step, about export custom clearance in China. This step is very important because getting your cargo through China custom is must. Certain factories in China may hand us a neat document for export custom, while some may not. But don't stress, we got you back in either case. You won't have to deal with the shippers. Let us take care for you. So the next step is the payment. So once your shipment has cleared the China customs and is set for departure for your chosen shipping method, no matter by airplane, virtual or express courier, it's time to set up the payment with us. Typically, you will receive a tracking number to monitor your shipment progress online via the carriers or the airline website. But where we shine is in our personal touch. Our team in China will keep you updated at every step of the process mentioned above. Pretty cool, right? So next step, just like what we have to do for the export, getting goods into Nigeria means they have to clear local custom tools. After your shipping lands, our local crew will sort out all the necessary stuff like getting your goods through customs, paying import taxes, and take care of locals free with the carriers. And remember, you can call on us for this destination service anytime you need them, or if you prefer, you can handle through your own company. So this is the last step, door delivery to your client. Once the shipment is cleared by customs, it's all smooth sailing from there. The cargo will make its own way to our local warehouse in Nigeria, where it will be unloaded. After that, we will arrange a local courier to bring it right to your doorstep, and just like that, your shipment will be delivered to where you need it. Alright, let's wrap this up. Shipping from China to Nigeria is a piece of cake when you team up with SINO Shipping. You get to focus on growing your business, and we handle all the shipping stuff. Got any questions? Just email and WhatsApp, whatever works for you. Our WhatsApp number is same as the phone number, so it is super easy to remember. And thanks for watching. Remember, follow SINO, we are your shipping pro.